Hey there gamers, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions guys, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Z League. You know how you can basically withdraw all your winnings quickly and easily. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step guys. So first things first, open up the Z League app or go to the Z League website on your browser, and you just want to log into your account. Okay, log in with your account details, make sure you're using the account where you actually earned your winnings. And next guys, what I want you to do is I want you to navigate to the withdraw button. So to withdraw, what you want to do is first you want to navigate to wallet or the balance section, which is usually found in the menu or dashboard. Here you'll see your available balance and the withdrawal option. So to withdraw, what you want to do guys is you just want to select withdraw button, and basically you'll be prompted to select your preferred withdrawal method. You know, common options actually include PayPal, there's bank transfer, or other payment platforms which are supported by Z League. So you want to basically enter the required payment details carefully. So for PayPal, use the email link to your account. For bank transfers, you want to input your account number and routing number, and you want to double check, guys, your information to avoid any delays. So once you've entered your details, you want to confirm the withdrawal request. You know, Z League usually processes withdrawals within a few business days, but it can actually vary, you know, depending on the method you actually choose. And that's it, guys. Your money will soon be on its way. So if this video helped, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. Make sure you turn on that bell notification so you get notified of the next video, and I'll see you guys next time.